Is it working?
Yeah, it is. Hey guys, Cousins 9999 here. And as you can see, all, ready. There's the dog, Sally, right there. But anyway, last night, a huge wind gust about 40 some miles an hour, and this is what happened to our playhouse. I know what you're thinking. It isn't that strong. How could it have done that? But it actually did this. It didn't tear us apart. Almost nothing inside was harmed. So, it had to be a pretty powerful one to do all that. Yeah. So, anyway, we're probably gonna set off repairing it today. I'm not sure. I don't really know how to repair it, so this is not mine, it's my sister's. But still. Anyway, pretty bad damage to it. Our chair wasn't blown off. Kind of weird. So, anyway, that's the end. Cousin 999 out. Oh, my finger's too big for the button. Ugh.
What do you want me to do? Turn it off?